So today we are going to take a look at the easiest way to get your business to show up on Google. So what we are going to do is we are going to take a look at the Google Business Profile Manager tool. So the first step in creating your business profile on Google is to sign in into your Google account and then search for Business Profile Manager and then create your business. I have already created a business on the Business Profile Manager, and I just wanted to take you through the tool and understand what you can update over there. And this is a really useful tool because it helps in showing up your business quickly on Google. So when we come onto the main screen, you can see businesses on the left hand side, and here we can create a group of businesses. If we have more than one business, we have an option to create a group of these businesses. Now, currently I've created one business over here called as Acquires Digital Marketing, and it is verified. Let's take a look at, I'll try and edit this business to see what kind of information can be edited for the business. So this is all the information that you can edit whenever you create a business using Google Business Profile Manager. So you have your business name that you can edit. Then you have the business category, so you can list down the different categories that you feel your business is associated with. This is a digital marketing agency, so I've selected internet marketing service as the primary category, and then I've added marketing agency and marketing consultant as the supporting business categories. Next, we have the description. So you have an option of describing your business, of what the services are, what benefits it can offer, and you can make creative use of this space. You can, in fact, also, let's say, use Chat GPT to find out some keywords, or even generate a description for your business and then edit it and then put it over here. So it's very easy to edit it, and then you have something called as opening date. So you can add, if your business, you've created this profile before your business has opened, which is a smart thing to do. You can actually add the opening date over here. Next, you can add contact information. So you can add your mobile number here, so anybody who sees this business on Google, they have an option of directly calling you. In fact, if they're browsing from their mobile phone, there is a call button which shows up against the business name, wherein you can actually go and just call the business. So let me see. So I've searched for this business, and on the right hand side you can see this call button, right? So if you're browsing from your mobile phone and I click on the call button, I have an option to directly connect with this business. Next is, you can update your website over here. So if you have your website set up, you will see an option of website over here, and when I click on the website, it will take you to the website of your business. So it's another easy way of getting traffic to your website. Next, you have the option to select a location for your business. So once you select, typically how the process happens is, once you select a business location, in a few days you get a postcard from Google with a code, and once you enter the code, uh, Google marks your business as verified. You might have seen my business as being marked as verified because I've actually entered the code which I received on the postcard at this particular business location. Next, there is an option to add a service area. So if your business services some particular areas, let's say it's a restaurant and it offers deliveries in some particular area, you can actually go ahead and even set up this area in the service area section. Next, you have opening hours. So basically, you can. As you can see, I have set up hours 9:30 to 6:30 for this business, Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday I've put as the business is closed. So you have the option of signaling when your business is open. So if there's somebody who looks at your business on Google, he knows whether it's a good time for them to be interacting with you. You can also add in special hours. If I edit this, so you can see, like, there are public holidays, or where you can say that whether your business is open or not on this public holiday. And you can also add in some special hours where your business might be open, which is apart from your regular operating hours. Now here you have an option to add a lot of other things about your business. Like, you can, uh, like, if it's, let's click on breakfast, for example. So okay, Maybe this might be an option which might be available for a restaurant business. Mine is a digital marketing agency, so I cannot see that. So you can see a lot of other things. For example, you can see happy hours. So if it's a bar, maybe they can add as some specific hours as happy hours, etc. Okay, there are some other attributes that you can add if you want them to show up. So if it's a woman owned business and you want to make that stand out on your business profile on Google, you can mark that over here. Then you have accessibility settings which you can mark. So whether your business has wheelchair accessible sitting or a wheelchair accessible toilet. So this might be useful for somebody who needs this, and let's say yours is a restaurant or a supermarket. So uh, marking this tells them whether they can whether this business is accessible to them. Then you also have amenities, like does it have gender neutral toilets? Yes, no, which you can mark here. Crowd, so whether it's LGBTQ friendly, you have an option of marking this over here. Whether your business is of the sort wherein an appointment is required. So, for example, doctors also have their business profiles, dentists, so they can actually mark that an appointment is required, so that a person would know that they need to call and set an appointment before reaching out. Then you also have service options over here where you can uh, d- uh, provide options wherein you can, whether you're offering an online appointment or on-site services are available. So these are some of the things that you can edit as part of your business information. And you also have an option to add photos against your business time and again as an update. So when I've clicked on that option, you can see it says drag photos or videos here, so I can do that. And then there is an option to create a post. So let's say there's an edit regarding your business, something there's an event which has happened which you want to highlight. You can click on this and add it, so it will again show up in your business profile. So here you can see the business profile that I had created. So there is a review for this, and all the information, like for example, uh, the different posts that I have created are all being shown up over here. Now let's take a look at some other options. So as you create your business, people have a option of dropping reviews on your business. So as a owner of the business, you have the option to reply, which is highly recommended. So once you get a review, you will also get an email on the Gmail account which is associated with this Google profile, and you can actually click on it and leave a reply to whatever review that you have got. So if it's a positive review, you can acknowledge that and ask them to maybe visit your business again. Or if it's a negative review, maybe you can take note of what the bad experience was from the customer and assure them that you will take care of it going forward. Then there is an option to see linked accounts. So if you have linked accounts from other Google products like Google Ads, etc., you can see that over here. Next is we have settings. So you can actually set up a lot of different things like the language, or whether the customers can message your business, or they can update reviews on your profile. A lot of other things that you can set up over here according to the nature of your business. So that, in a sense, is what the Google Business Profile Manager looks like. And I would suggest, if you have a business of any sort, it is highly recommended that you set this up, because this is one of the easiest and quickest ways to become accessible on Google. And once you have set up and you've logged in into your Google account, which has the Google Business Profile set up, then you can see this kind of a widget here on the left, where I can see that there were 172 customer interactions recently. My profile strength looks good, and I can whatever we discussed, all the other things can be done through this particular section. uh, instead of directly logging in into Google Profile Manager, you can also use this section to do all the updates on your profile. Thank you.